Hey everybody, this is Laura with the North Raleigh Seed Library. I want to thank every single person out there that washed their car and made it rain. I want to talk about Sandy Green, one of our members. You may remember her because several of you stepped up and helped her water her garden while she was away at her mother's celebration of life. And just because you are all remarkable in so many different ways, I wanted to share a little bit about Sandy. She's invited you to an event that she's having at her house on June the 20th. She's posted it on our Facebook page, and it's something pretty special. She has created in her yard a sound garden that is magical, that does so much for so many people. I'm going to go ahead and show you a video that she sent, and I've overlaid it with my voice but her words. A message from Sandy Green. My passion has always been volunteerism. It started with helping Dad at the gas station, Girl Scouts, then the Jerry Lewis Telethon, and later serving on the board of the Mental Health Association. I also served at Big Brothers and Big Sisters. Giving back gave me purpose and connection. In 2015, something shifted. I picked up a guitar, and for the very first time, the moment I began to play, I noticed the way it changed my brain. Music reached a part of me that nothing else could. That was the moment my two passions collided, volunteerism and music. As I played, I began to think about people who didn't have this opportunity, especially homeless musicians who no longer had their instruments. I imagined how hard it would be to lose not just shelter, but also the very tool that gave you expression, dignity, and joy. And that thought sparked an idea. What if I could help put instruments back into their hands? That's how Guitars for Good was born. We started small, and we organized to serve people experiencing homelessness, survivors of human trafficking, veterans, people in recovery, and others who needed healing and hope. Today, we've placed hundreds of instruments into the hands of people across dozens of states. What began as my personal collision of two passions has turned into a movement, one where compassion and music come together to heal, empower, and inspire. When I moved to North Raleigh, I found myself with a huge magical backyard that I have named the Sound Garden. It became a space for fellow musicians and friends to gather. It's not a traditional garden. My backyard is covered with moss under huge mature white oak trees. You guys. Please make sure to text me if you have other great ideas for our videos. Thanks so much, Sandy Green.